What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto, aka the Bonk Father. We haven't gone over Bonk in quite a while because it's pretty much just been consolidating sideways, but we did get a huge buy signal on the WTX about the 20th of April. And since then, this thing has been rallying. We're actually up 11.7% today at 2711 micro pennies, still below $2 billion market cap. We're at $1.79 billion market cap. So, with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on Bonk. All right, everyone, taking a look at Bonk right now. The charts on the day chart are looking pretty dang solid. The MACD's bullish. We got a nice engulfing bullish candle today. RSI's tailing up. You can see a very, very nice bottom put in here. Around what do we hit? Around 35, and then we haven't looked back since, putting in higher highs. This is the big indicator right here, guys. The day chart. If we were to listen to this day chart, WTX, and when that printed a green signal, that's a buy signal. If we were to listen to that, we would have bought the exact bottom here on Bonk, which is right here, exactly on the 786. How crazy is that? We were traced right down to the 786 perfectly, got a perfect bounce, body of the candle and all, and now we're seeing that reversal to the upside from this point on. So Bonk is officially bullish now, guys. We've been bearish since May 4th, so a couple months, yeah, a little over a month and a half. We actually broke out of that downtrend right now. So our next main resistance, I'd have to say for Bonk, is the all-time high price, guys, which from where we're currently at isn't that high, is it? Oh, that's a 77% move. It looks small on the screen, but yeah, it's 77% move to the high. So I'd be keeping an eye out for that. I think we are to be working our way back up to test the highs on Bonk here. Possibly, next week or so. So we'll keep an eye on that. Who knows? This could be the catalyst, the start of the parabolic phase for Bonk. Hopefully, fingers crossed, right? Now, if we look at the short-term time frame for bonks, such as the 4-hour time frame, we can get a little bit of an indication of where we might be heading here in the longer term. So the short term normally rolls into the long term, and look at what's happening since the 19th of April here for bonk. Very, very nice, healthy step up pattern. You have your one step, two step, making higher highs and higher lows, and that'll probably continue until we work our way up to the all-time high price that we claimed back in March 5th. Now, if we look at the short-term fib as well, let's clear this up. If we look at the short-term fib as well, from that high to the bottom right here, what we're currently contending with is that 618. So that's why we're kind of seeing a double top coming in here on the short-term time frame, because that 618 is a very powerful resistance area. So I would have to say, make the case that if we get over 285, or yeah, if we get over 285 to 286, that's when bonk's really, really going to start moving. So write that number on a sticky note and slap it on your forehead so you don't forget it, because that 618 has came in big in the past as resistance, such as March 28th. If we blow this up for you guys so you can see a little bit better. If you look at the 618 and the short-term fib, we got a double rejection right here, and then that's what caused the big catalyst back down. And when we were above it back here, the beginning of March all the way till the middle of March, that was 618 was a very good support area. So obviously we have a lot of confluence around that 618 at around 2862. So that's the area that we have to overtake right now. If anything, since we just got a double top here on the short-term time frame, we could just see it's probably a slight pullback back down to, I would say, around 2.5, and then we'd make another push up here. As long as we don't put in a lower low, as long as we don't go below 226, I'm still bullish on it right now. Now, the 4-hour indicators are a little hot, but when you start moving like this, I really don't look at the 4-hour. I look at the day chart, and the day chart's looking solid. The day chart's looking really, really good. It's just in that short-term time frame we have to focus on overtaking that 618, which on this one you can't really see it because the day chart candle is just a wick there, but it's still there at that 2862. So keep an eye on 2862. Obviously, that's the main resistance area. I've already tested it twice today. No, we tested it once yesterday and once today and got rejected. So keep an eye on that. Absolute worst case scenario I see for bonk is heading back down to here to 2000 and then hopefully a rally to the upside. But regardless of that, guys, even if we do see a retracement in the short-term time frame, the main thing you want to take away from this TA is that you broke out of your downtrend. You have officially flipped bullish on bonk. So congratulations, congratulations. I just think once we break that 618 there at around 2862, that's when bonks are to start getting really fun. And the next main resistance area over the all-time high price is around 7,000 micro pennies, which from where we're currently at is a 153% move. So I would say bonk's gearing up, definitely continuing its bull run, broke out of its not bear market, broke out of its bearish downtrend, and now it's in a bull trend right now. So once we get over that 618, that would confirm the bullish movement, and then we'd probably say the sky's the limit. We could possibly work our way back up to, or work our way up to the 1618. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.